Welcome to my channel. Let's learn shapes and symbols. Triangle. It has three sides. All sides are equal. Square. It has four sides. All sides are equal. Rectangle. It has four sides. Opposite sides are equal. Star. It is five-pointed star. Cross. Heart. Circle. Semicircle. Diamond. Starburst. Pentagon. It has five sides. Hexagon. It has six sides. Cloud. Flower. Water drop. Rainbow. Vowel. Wavy line. Arrow. Sun. Check mark. Cross. It is used to sign no or stop. Stop. Crescent. Math symbols. Addition. This means to add. Subtraction. This means that to subtract. Multiplication. This means that to multiply. Division. This means that to divide. Equals. This means that equal to. Greater than. This means that greater than. Lesser than. This means that less than. Percentile. Hyphen. Slash. Please like, share, subscribe.